And next school is Tummanpet, ZPHS Tummanpet. B. Hemalata 9th class first rank 518, Pranita 9th class second rank 516, K. Ganesh 10th class first rank 536, B. Anil 10th class second rank 529. తుమ్మన్పేట ఇప్పుడు తుమ్మన్పేట. So Tummanpet students, Hemalata, Pranita, Ganesh and Anil. So they are Tummanpet students. Next, Tribal Welfare Ashram High School, Banala. Shankar 9th class first rank 486, Shivakumar 9th class second rank 470, Jadawat Naveen 10th class first rank 538, Sharon second rank 487. Next school, Tribal Welfare Ashram High School, Chenchugudem. Ratlawat Bhagya 9th class first rank 520, Kukkamudi Diksha 9th class second rank 500, Ketawat Sandhya 10th class 521, Nagilla Deepika second rank 516. Next school, KGBV Lingal, Manusha 9th class first rank 547, Pooja Sri 9th class second rank 537, Shivani 10th class first rank 545, Nandini second rank 531. So next school, PM Sri ZPHS Ambatlapalli, Vaishnavi 9th class first rank 528, Akhil second rank 465, P. Suhani 10th class first rank 538, Shushma second rank 532. 45. Okay. 14 ఉన్నాయి. Okay. So next school, JPHS Lingal, Bunny 9th class first rank 530, Pawan second rank 466, Bindu Madhavi 10th class first rank 570, Meenakshi second rank 541. Next school, MJPT GBCWR School Boys, Ambatlapalli, Ajay 9th class first rank 542, Shivakumar second rank 533, Teku Umesh Chandra 10th class first rank 579, Menta Samson second rank 574, Gurram Yeshwan second rank 574. 5 months. Next school PM Street TGS WREIS Lingal Bollu Shashiman 9th class first rank 543, Vinay Kumar second rank 514, VP Dinakar 10th class first rank 544, Dashrath Bhanu 10th class second rank 543. So next school Tribal Welfare Ashram Girls PS Lingal Bekkamakshita 9th class first rank 430, Agani Ashwini second rank 427, Polamuri Ramya 10th class first rank 530, Aluwala Bhargavi second rank 529. Tribal Welfare Ashram Girls Lingal. Next school Government Tribal Welfare Ashram High School Udimilla Jalla Padmavati 9th class first rank 408, Shivaleela second rank 400, Deshavat Kavya first rank 526, M Swati 10th class second rank 519. Yeah. Next school Government Tribal Welfare High School Udimilla అయిపోయింది. KGBV Padara Sandhya 9th class first rank 536, Prasanna second rank 519, Nandini 10th class first rank 521, Pavitra 10th class second rank 516. Next school JPHS Padra Indu 9th class first rank 511, Srivalli 471 second rank, Bharat Kumar 10th class first rank 546, Deepika 10th class second rank 522. Next school JPHS Venkeshwaram Hari Krishna 9th class first rank 455, Baddula Abhilash second rank 448, Balmuri Shiva 10th class 547, Jagatishwar second rank 525. So next school KGBV Uppununtala Pooja 9th class first rank 558, Kota Monika second rank 550, Polumuri Navyashri 10th class 569, Pittala Shravani second rank 560. Next school PM Shri ZPHS Upanundala Matta Akshita 9th class 518, Sonamoni Lily 2nd rank 508, Sanjana 10th class 1st rank 557, Gorentla Sai Kumar 2nd rank 556. Next school ZPHS Kamsanapalle, Peetla Jhansi Lakshmi 9th class 1st rank 567, Pulsing Nandini 2nd rank 562, N Aishwarya 10th class 1st rank 565, Rasamola Archita 2nd rank 561. Next school ZPHS Penivilla, Sharan Tej 9th class 1st rank 517, SK Shaheen 2nd rank 514, B Chandana 10th class 1st rank 537, Tarun 10th class 2nd rank 535. Next school ZPHS Veltur, Rapotu Vani Shri 9th class 1st rank 506, Devarla Nandini 2nd rank 500, Pulkaram Shivashankar 10th class 1st rank 525, Konki Saidulu 10th class 2nd rank 513. Next school MJBT GBC WREIS Girls Veltur, Bhavya Shri 9th class 1st rank 579, Sandhya Rani 2nd rank 570, Kotte Mamata 10th class 1st rank 573, Kurva Akshita 10th class 2nd rank 570. So well. So can you photo దిగుతారు కదా?
Girls Amrabad
ZPHS Girls Amrabad, Sania Begum 9th class 1st rank 339, Devi Shri 9th class 2nd rank 391, Shravani 10th class 1st rank 507.
girls के रहने में ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్ స్కూల్స్ కంటలేరా అని అడుగుతున్నా.
ఉంది ఎక్కడ ఏ స్కూల్? ఐనోలు వచ్చింది. ఐనోలు జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ వచ్చింది. ఐనోలు జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ వచ్చింది. ఇందులో లేదు మరి. ఐనోలు ఒకసారి కనుక్కుందాం. ఐనోలు ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్ స్కూల్ రాలేదా? ఐనోల్ జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ఏ వచ్చింది. మీరు ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. కన్నారావు గారు సార్ కన్నారావు గారిని పిలవండి. కన్నారావు గారు ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్ స్కూల్ అయిన వాళ్ళది రాలేదు అంటున్నారు. కన్నారావు గారు
రంగినేని ప్రసాద్ గారు ఒకసారి ఇన్వైట్ చేయండి పైకి.